नमस्कार, मी निलिमा कदम, इयत्ता 6वी, मॅथ्स, गणित. आजचा घटक आहे कोन, अँगल. Dear friends, we require these instruments for constructing an angle, for drawing an angle. Now, how an angle can be drawn? Last year, we have learned about this construction of angle. Let's see. Now, angle. Last video, we have learned about rays. किरण. किरण म्हणजे काय? तर किरण एका बिंदूपासून सुरुवात होतो. तोच त्याचा आरंभ बिंदू आणि अंत्यबिंदू असतो आणि एकाच दिशेने तो पुढे जात राहतो. So a ray starts at one point in this figure. Here it starts at point A and goes forward continuously in the direction of B. In the direction of B. So this is a ray AB. We read it as ray AB because A is the origin or starting point of this ray. Now how the angle is formed? Now again I have taken one ray. This is a ray. Now I have taken another ray starting at the same point. So what is an angle? Here two rays when joined at the same point, an angle is formed. So an angle is the figure formed by two rays. दोन किरणांनी मिळून कोन तयार होतो. So in geometry we said that an angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point. So this is the end point of the ray as well as it is the starting point. So what is an angle? An angle is the figure formed by two rays but they should start at the common point. Okay? In day-to-day life, we can see angles in many places. For example, in the watch, in the clock. At 3 o'clock, in this clock, there is minute hand and hour hand. There is an angle between these two hands. Similarly, when a crocodile or birds open their mouth, there is an angle formed. Here in the house, see here there is an angle. तर अशा प्रकारे दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये आपण घड्याळाच्या दोन काट्यांमध्ये आपल्याला कोन दिसून येतो. प्राणी, पक्षी जेव्हा तोंड उघडतात किंवा एखादी शिडी असते, हा आपला चिमटा. तुमचं पुस्तक उघडल्यानंतर एका विशिष्ट दिशेने तुम्ही पुस्तक ठेवलं तर त्या ठिकाणी सुद्धा आपल्याला कोन आढळून येतात. तर हे कोन कोणकोणते आहेत, कोनाचे विविध प्रकार कोणकोणते आहेत ते आपण आता अभ्यासणार आहोत. तर हे कोन वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे असतात. ॲक्यूट अँगल म्हणजे लघु कोन, त्यानंतर काटकोन, राईट अँगल ट्रँगल, ऑब्ट्यूज अँगल म्हणजेच विशाल कोन. तर ह्या कोनांचे प्रकार हे जे आहेत हे आपण अभ्यासणार आहोत. Here are some angles. Let's write down the name, vertex and arms of an angle. There are different types of angles given over here. See here there are 4 angles. pictures of 4 angles are there. Let's complete the table. या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला वेगवेगळी चित्र दिलेली आहेत. त्याच्या सहाय्याने आपण हे टेबल पूर्ण करणार आहोत. We are going to write the name of the angle, then vertex of the angle म्हणजेच कोनाचा शिरोबिंदू, and arms of the angle कोनाच्या बाजू. Now first let's complete this table. See here, first one. Now what is the name of the angle? Dear friends, remember this is the common point, common end point of two rays, right? Now in this figure, ray BA and ray BC, these two rays are there, and when these two rays, that is ray BA and rays BC, meet at point B, an angle is formed. Okay, so the point where two rays meet, that is the vertex of the angle, and this vertex should be in between these 2 points. So how we are going to write the name of the angle? लक्षात ठेवा, दोन किरण एकत्र एका बिंदूत जेव्हा येतात तेव्हा कोन तयार होतो, आणि हा जो एकत्र येणारा बिंदू आहे तो त्या कोनाचा शिरोबिंदू असतो. तर कोनाचं नाव लिहिताना हा जो शिरोबिंदू आहे तो या दोन बिंदूंच्या मध्ये असणं अत्यंत आवश्यक आहे. So here in the first figure, what is the name of this angle? Angle ABC. Remember, angle ABC. Angle is denoted by this symbol, that is angle, and A, B. B is the common point, that is ray BA and ray BC. Two rays meet at point B. So B is the common point and it should be in between these 2 points. So this angle is written as angle ABC. So B is the vertex of the angle, कोनाचा शिरोबिंदू आहे B, and arms of the angle, कोनाच्या बाजू, side BA and side BC. Okay, second one. What is the name? Again, vertex should be in between these 2 points. So angle PQR. Q is the vertex, कोनाचा शिरोबिंदू, and arms of the angle, side PQ and side QR. You can write it as side PQ or side QP. Okay, but ray should be written with the Q, right? Now here we are writing the sides, therefore we can write it as side PQ. Third one, name of the angle. See, find out first vertex. So vertex should be in between these 2 points. So this is the angle XYZ. Vertex is Y and sides of the angles are side XY and side YZ. In the fourth figure, fourth one, name of the angle, angle EDF or FDE, right? Vertex is D, कोनाचा शिरोबिंदू आहे D, आणि कोनाच्या बाजू DE आणि बाजू DF, किंवा बाजू FD आणि बाजू ED. So these are the vertex, arms and name of the angle. त्याचप्रमाणे आपण मराठीमध्ये हे आपण अशा प्रकारे लिहितोय. कोन ABC वाचन केलं जातं, कोनाचा शिरोबिंदू आणि कोनाच्या बाजू AB, बाजू BC, बाजू PQ, बाजू QR याप्रमाणे लिहिल्या जातात. तर अशा प्रकारे आपण मराठीमध्ये सुद्धा हे लिहू शकतो. If you like this video, please subscribe it, and also for notification of the next video, click on the bell. Thank you.